do you have your Wi-Fi missing on your PC, or your Wi-Fi shows can't connect? As you can see, mine is missing, or sometimes it shows can't connect or couldn't connect or to this network or whatever. Let's solve every issue relating to your Wi-Fi and install Wi-Fi back on your PC. So let's just go ahead to the video as we start. So first of all, go ahead to your services without wasting much time. Let's go ahead to your service and just scroll down to the ending, where to this part you get this WLAN AutoConfig. So double tap on this and make sure you set this to automatic, and also your service remains running. So click on apply and click on OK. So this is one. Make sure this is running, and let's just go ahead to the next step to solve this issue. So the second part is to go ahead to your device manager. So I'm going ahead to my device manager to open my device manager here on my PC, and let me check if it's actually also missing on my device manager. So I'll be zooming in on this, and you can see here under your network adapters is where you can find your Wi-Fi driver. So it's Intel R, Wi-Fi, whatever. You can go ahead to your actions. If you can't find this, tap on any part of here, like for example the name of your PC, Don't Tech. Click on the action and click on scan for hardware changes. So it's going to reload this, and you can see if it's missing. You can see it here, but if it's not still there, you can go on view and click on show hidden devices. So show hidden devices is going to show more, and you should see your Wi-Fi network adapter here. So now this is mine. If you still don't find yours, still wait a bit in this video. Let me go ahead to solve this issue first, and I'll be touching that part of you not finding it. I'm going to double tap here on this, and I'm just going to go ahead to click here on, you can see the device is disabled. Click enable to enable the device. I'll go here to my driver section. I'm going to click on enable device. So once I enable my device, I should have my Wi-Fi back here on my PC. So as you can see, my Wi-Fi is back here on my PC, and it should work properly. So if this doesn't work properly, for example, I'm trying to check if it's connected to a device. That's my main device here. So let's see. Yeah, you can see it's connected to my device, and this works properly. So if this doesn't work properly, maybe still you can't connect to your device, I'll advise you to roll back your driver by just clicking back here on the roll back your driver. That's to the previous driver or Wi-Fi that actually works before. So for example, if your other Wi-Fi works before, just roll back to it and click, or you can go ahead to click on update driver. What you have to do is to browse my computer for drivers, then let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then click here on this, and you can go ahead to click on any of these three or any one that you're finding. So you can try them one by one, and until you get the one that really works well for your PC. So if this solve your issue, give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't gotten your Wi-Fi back, let's just go ahead to solve this issue, because I will be teaching you everything to do. So just all you have to do is double tap on whatever and it's showing installing, and you install your driver there. So I'm not installing anyone because this works well for my PC. As you can see, it's connected to my device already. So that is just one way. But if you can't find your Wi-Fi driver like how mine is showing here, let's say it's missing, let's just go ahead to install Wi-Fi driver for you. So go ahead to your Chrome and just go ahead to create a new tab. So let's just go ahead to create a new tab. So I'm creating a new tab here. So let's just do this, and let me just go ahead to search for this. Actually, close this one. So I'm just going to, this is going to be what I'm going to search for. I'm going to search for HP Wi-Fi driver for Windows 11. If you're using Windows 10, I'm just click on this. So the next thing to do is to go to your official HP laptop driver and software. So I'm tapping here on this. So once this loads, what you have to do is to scroll down. So you want HP to detect your PC, or you can go ahead to search for, which I feel like it's a long, and for those people who don't really know things about their PC are going to have issue with this. So I'm not going to let HP detect my product. Life is really easy. So this website is about to initiate a product detection. Do you wish to proceed? Of course, because it's HP website. So what you have to do is click on OK and wait for this to load. So after a few times, you can see very fast and very sharp, it has detected my PC, and this is the PC I use, HP compatible 360 1040 G8 blah. So let's go ahead to click on select this product. I'm selecting my product, and next thing for me to do is to go ahead to look for my Wi-Fi driver. So they're asking me to two simple steps for me to know what drivers are available for my product. I'm to select my operating system, OS. XD. So I have to put here on Windows 11 for sure, because that is what I'm using. If you're using Windows 10, Windows 10 please, brother. And let's just go ahead to select your operating system on the other part. So I'm using 25H2 obviously, and I'm just going to click on submit. So I'm submitting my exams right now, and my device is still eligible. Close your teeth, madam. So let's just go ahead to scroll down, and they're asking, where are you going to find this your driver? So obviously as simple as ABC driver network actually. So you're going to see Intel Bluetooth driver. No, I basically don't need that. Am I in the right place? I feel no. So I'm to look for my Wi-Fi driver. So I actually can't find my Wi-Fi driver because I obviously have Wi-Fi driver installed on my PC. So if you can find yours, you see it like mine. You see there like the way you have it, your WLAN driver, whatever. So let's go ahead to download it, for example. So if you have yours installed, you should find it here. Go ahead to download it, and once you download it, try to install it from this area. Just double tap on it, and you're going to follow these steps you find there to install it. If you've gotten it installed and it doesn't work, go ahead to search for this app here. The name of the app is Driver Booster. It's a very sharp application, or software rather, you can use to get everything done. So I'll be zooming in on this. Let's get it done. So what you have to do is to click here on update now, and make sure your PC downloads everything you need on your Wi-Fi on your PC. So once you are done with that, it's simple and so easy for you to just restart your PC, and you will get everything in your PC working perfectly. So if you found this video really useful, share this video to your friends. As you can see, my Wi-Fi is working right there, and or you can like and comment if you still have issues, or if you're facing issues pertaining to Wi-Fi or whatsoever on your PC. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.